You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly in English, by the way. If you want to learn more confusing pronunciations in English, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you pronounced in British English, because we'll see the American is different. Pronounced as fever, fee-va, fever. Now, in the US, the American pronunciation is usually more as fever, fever. The stress is always on the first syllable and the fee syllable. So, English pronunciation, UK, fever. I've got fever. I'm not feeling well. Fever. American pronunciation, fever. Oh, I'm feeling really bad today. I've got bad fever. American pronunciation. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.